ClientMapper by Nalier is a tool that allows you to create maps based off of agreement, company type, or marketing group. You can create as many maps as you'd like. It'll show you where your office is located and where your customers are located. You could filter in primary and secondary locations as you wish. You could also see where your employees live compared to your customer. Maybe we need to send someone here first thing tomorrow morning. I could see who lives the closest. Maybe you want to see where your future on-sites are scheduled. You could filter them in and see where the on-sites are scheduled, for what employee, date, time. There's a link to open the ticket in MTX as well. Maybe you need to do a bunch of scheduling of tickets. We don't have any that will filter in this at the moment, but if I choose this and just say this is where my on-sites are needed, I could then get a visual of how to schedule them, and you could group things together. You could be like, okay, maybe tomorrow we'll do these 3, and the next day we'll do these 2, and then the following day we'll do these 2 together as well.